Hello everyone, this is Seetu Kohli, architect and founder of Seetu Kohli Home. There is nothing that I love more than adding life and soul into a space. Each space you design requires a special character, and I think that having a product that could fit anywhere is a great tool. So what we have here are the VOX Ceiling Panels that are both revolutionary and are an amazing addition to any space. They're extremely durable with a 10-year warranty and are water resistant and also fire retardant for your safety. They're also extremely versatile and can enhance the aesthetics of any space. This is a product that I have loved using on my projects because of how quick they are to install as compared to traditional false ceilings. There are two ranges of ceilings, unicolor, which are great for minimalistic designs, and wooden finish options that can go with earthy tones and bring out the warmth of any space. If you're looking for something to complete the look of your space or spice it up, I would highly suggest contacting VOX to source their gorgeous collection.